A warm hello and welcome to the World of English podcast. We're here to help you learn English in a simple and comfortable way.
Hello, everyone. We're so happy you are learning with us today.
I'm Ina.
And I'm Ollie. Let's make learning English an enjoyable journey together.
Today, we have a beautiful and easy topic. We will learn how to talk about our favorite season. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
That's right. We will learn simple words to describe the weather and activities for each season. And most importantly, how to explain which one you love and why.
Let's begin.
Let's start with the basic question. What is your favorite season? Repeat after us, everyone. What is your favorite season?
Good. To answer, you can say, my favorite season is, let's say it together. My favorite season is,
Perfect. Now, let's learn some words to describe the seasons. For example, you can say a day is sunny, warm, rainy, or cold.
let's practice these words. Repeat after Allie and me.
Sunny. It is a sunny day.
Warm. The weather is warm.
Excellent. Now, Ina, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn. The weather is not too hot and not too cold. It is cool and pleasant.
Autumn is nice. So she said, my favorite season is autumn, and described the weather. Now, a very important word is because. We use it to give a reason. I like autumn because the weather is cool.
Yes, because is the key. Let's all say it. Because.
Now, let's talk about what we do in each season. A great phrase is, I like to, or I enjoy. For example, I like to go for a walk.
Let's all try. Repeat. I like to.
Ina, what do you like to do in autumn?
I like to walk in the park and see the leaves change color. They become red, orange, and yellow. It is so beautiful.
That does sound beautiful. For me, my favorite season is winter.
Winter. Why do you like winter, Allie?
I like winter because the weather is cold. I enjoy drinking warm drinks with my family. It feels very cozy.
Cozy is a wonderful word. It means warm, comfortable, and safe. So, listeners, you can say you like a season because it is cozy. Let's learn a few more describing words. For spring, we can say it is fresh and green. Flowers bloom in spring.
For summer, we can say it is hot and sunny. The days are long.
And for winter, like Allie said, it can be cold and cozy.
Let's also learn how to say something is the best. You can say, I love it because. This is stronger than like.
Yes. For example, I love summer because I can go swimming.
So our main phrases are,
My favorite season is,
I like it because,
I love it because.
the weather is sunny, warm, cold, cool, rainy.
I like to swim.
I enjoy walking.
Okay, Allie, are you ready for a fun game?
I think so. What is the game?
It's called Guess the Season. I will describe a season using the words we learned, and you have to guess which one it is. Listeners, you guess too.
Wonderful. Let's play.
Okay, first one. This season is very hot and sunny. The days are long. People like to go swimming. What season is it?
That is easy. It's summer.
Correct. Your turn, Ollie.
Okay. This season is cold. Sometimes it rains. It is very cozy to stay inside with family. What season is it?
That sounds like winter.
Yes. Okay, one more. This season is not hot and not cold. The leaves change color and fall from the trees. What season is it?
That is my favorite season. It's autumn.
Perfect. Listeners, did you guess them all correctly? Well done.
That was a great game. Now, let's do a quick recap. Today we learned how to talk about our favorite season. We use phrases like, my favorite season is, and I like it because the weather is.
Remember, you can talk about the weather and the activities you like to do. This makes your answer interesting and clear.
Now for our community question. We are very excited to hear from you. Our question is, what is your favorite season? And what is one activity you enjoy in that season?
For example, I would say, my favorite season is winter, and I enjoy drinking warm milk with dates.
And I would say, my favorite season is autumn, and I like to walk in the park. So, please tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite season and what is one activity you enjoy?
We read all your comments and love to learn about you.
You all did a fantastic job today. Learning to describe the world around you is a beautiful part of learning English.
You are doing so well. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful English practice.
We hope you have a wonderful day, no matter what season it is where you are.
Thank you for listening.
Goodbye. See you next time in the world of English.